Acer Z220 screen pattern lock problem. In this video we will show you how to unlock the screen pattern. First of all, switch off your phone. Press volume up plus power button. First of all, press volume up plus power button. When phone start vibrate twice, then press volume down plus power and keep the button till the screen show recovery menu. Now you are seeing that the screen has shown the recovery. Now press wipe data. Yes, delete all user data. Now wipe data, formatting data. Power off. Mobile was restarted. Welcome. Let's go forward. Next. Setup later. More. Next. 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 Now the screen pattern has successfully erased. Okay, thanks for watching.